Alright, this is Kylie, this is Paige, and this is Abby, and these are my audience members. Alright. My interest in the ocean has been there since I can remember. I've always loved the water, and when I was younger we took a trip to the Bahamas and we went snorkeling over a reef. It was at this point that I became much more interested in what was happening in the world's reefs. Reefs are beautiful ecosystems that are being destroyed for various reasons. Some people may ask, why is it important to protect these reefs? An answer to this question, as stated on miamisci.org, covering only 2% of the ocean bottom, they are home to over 25% of marine species. Today I hope to inform you about how many of these reefs are being destroyed, why they are being destroyed, and what's being done to restore them. Every day there are more and more reefs being destroyed around the world. To put this into perspective, as stated by oceanworldtamu.edu, 10% of the world's reefs have been completely destroyed. In the Philippines, where this is worse, over 70% have been destroyed, and only 5% can be said to be in good condition. Reefs are being destroyed in many different ways. The ways they are being destroyed include destructive fishing, oil spills, and pollution. The main type of destructive fishing is dynamite fishing. This practice uses dynamite to shock or kill fish. However, this practice not only kills more than enough fish for the people, but destroys a large portion of the reefs in the process. And that's a picture of what it would look like after dynamite fishing has taken place. Oil spills are another thing that can destroy a reef. The reason that the oil spill causes problems is because the oil sits at the surface of the water, blocking the light and the gas exchange, causing the water's oxygen levels to deplete quickly. Pollution is a main cause of destruction, and there are two main types of pollution. These are fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers are harmful to a reef because they cause a large amount of algae which blocks the light and slowly kills off the reef. Pesticides are designed to kill. They are poison, and obviously once they're in the water they're going to kill the reef extremely quickly. People have realized what has been done to destroy the reefs, the way they can fix them, and how the process starts in rebuilding one. So what is being done to rebuild the reefs? The two main things that are being done at this point are man-made reefs, and they're called coral nurseries. The man-made reef is a reef that's made out of concrete, which over time turns into a reef ecosystem. The coral nursery is the same thing as you'd think of for plants, but it's underwater for corals. Then once the corals grow, they are moved to either a destroyed or a man-made reef. Eventually, over time, the fish and other creatures move into the area to complete the ecosystem. And a picture of a coral nursery looks like that. I hope after listening to this speech you have learned every day reefs are destroyed, how they are destroyed, and what is being done to rebuild them. I hope that you have also learned why it is important to protect and rebuild these reefs. Not only do these reefs have a lot of life, but according to NOAA.gov, they are important to the economy, providing millions of people around the globe with food, coastal storm protection, and jobs. Thank you. And then here's Kylie, Paige, and Abby again. Thank you.